Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share all my pipeline tutorials between the Unreal Engine 5 and other 3D software. For example, the iClone, Character Creator 4, Blender, DAZ, Autodesk Maya, SketchUp, etc. Now, because of these are the pipeline tutorials, it is not only involve the Unreal Engines, but it also involving the transferring of the 3D models between two softwares. Just for example, if you are using the CC4 to create a 3D avatar and you are going to make it become a game avatar in Unreal Engine 5 game project, this is called pipeline. Alright. To access all of these tutorials, you can just scroll down, go to my video descriptions, click into the link that I provided. It is going to lead you to my website, Freedom 3D Tutorials. The URL is freedom3d.art. Alright, once you click into that, for this link, all of the filters already ready for you. The software already point on Unreal Engines. The tutorial type is the pipeline between two software, and the skills it will involving all of the skills included the game developing, the 3D modeling of the avatar. It included all the skills, and you can see here are 20 pages. All of these are my previous tutorials and also the latest tutorials. Some are for cartoon players pipeline. For example, using the Visual Studio to create a manga or cartoon avatar and make it become an NPC in Unreal Engine 5. Or sometimes some of these tutorials are about the Character Creator 4 to Unreal Engine 5. It will include some of the material setup tutorials as well. It also included some of the AI 3D modeling that send it to Unreal Engines to make it become a game asset. So you can just explore it one by one. All of these tutorials are my tutorials. Alright, that's all for today about my sharings of all my pipeline tutorials between the Unreal Engine 5 and other 3D software. If you need to have other tutorials about the Unreal Engine, you can just filter by using the skills and also the tutorial types, and you can filter out any other tutorials at here. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to a 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.